Bathroom renovation costs in Vancouver. Typical bathroom renovation costs in Vancouver. Standard costs $20,000 to $35,000, mid-range $30,000 to $45,000, high-end $50,000 and up, often $60,000 to $100,000 plus, including trades, waterproofing, and a full refresh. 1. Standard bathroom renovation. Includes demolition, basic plumbing, electrical updates, waterproofing, tile installation, new vanity and fixtures, plus paint and finishing. Practical finishes with minimal layout changes. What is included in standard renovations? Demolition and disposal, plumbing changes or fixture swaps, electrical updates including vanity light, fan and GFCI, waterproofing in the shower or tub area, tile and grout, new vanity, faucet, toilet, mirror, accessories, and paint and finishing. 2. Mid-range renovations. Costs $30,000 to $45,000. Upgrades include custom tile patterns, frameless glass showers, heated floors, improved vanity and storage, better lighting and ventilation, and detailed carpentry finishes. Common mid-range upgrades. Custom or large format tile, frameless glass shower, heated floors, enhanced vanity and storage, lighting and ventilation improvements, detailed carpentry and finishing. 3. High-end renovations. Start at $50,000 and up, including layout changes, plumbing relocation, curbless showers, premium stone, custom cabinetry, specialty lighting, smart controls, and structural repairs. Older homes may add hidden costs. High-end renovations are costly due to layout and plumbing changes, curbless showers and custom glass, premium materials and fixtures, custom cabinetry and millwork, smart home controls, structural repairs, and hidden costs in older homes. Condo versus house renovation costs. Condos have extra costs from strata approvals, work hour restrictions, elevator use, common area protection, plumbing access, and inspections. Houses offer simpler access, but older buildings might need extensive behind-wall upgrades. Labor, permits, and inspections in Vancouver. Skilled trades including tile, plumbing, electrical, and waterproofing increase costs. Permits are often required for these work types. Confirm permit needs for your renovation. Waterproofing is essential in Vancouver's moist climate. Proper membranes and expert installation prevent leaks, mold, and costly repairs, especially in condos. Material choices affect costs. Tile complexity, vanity quality, shower systems, fixture brands, and glass enclosure hardware. Small upgrades increase labor and installation complexity. Budgeting tips to avoid surprises. Choose renovation tier early, minimize layout changes, include 10 to 20% contingency, prioritize waterproofing, ventilation, and skilled labor, and get detailed written scope confirming inclusions and exclusions. Bathroom renovations in Vancouver are an investment. Smart planning and professional installation ensure lasting quality. For reliable bathroom renovation guidance in Vancouver, plan carefully and choose experienced professionals. Get started.